Welcome everyone. We are QHT Clinic, your most trusted destination for hair transplants in India. Our clinic is not only popular but also trusted by celebrities, models and actors who have undergone successful procedures with us. Meet the patient. Our patient today is a 27-year-old gentleman who was suffering from diffuse grade 5 baldness. As you can see in the pre-procedure photos, he had a receding hairline and thinning patches in his frontal and mid-scalp areas. Despite these challenges, he had a good density in his donor area, which is crucial for a successful transplant. Our expert team carefully evaluated his facial features and decided to give him a custom-shaped hairline. We opted for a youthful alignment slightly lower from the middle while ensuring it would age gracefully. This meticulous planning ensures an optimal result that truly complements the patient's face. Surgical process. We used single hair follicle grafts at the hairline zone and double-triple follicle grafts to add density to the frontal part and mid-scalp. A total of 5,000 grafts were extracted from the safe zones. The procedure aimed to ensure a natural look, devoid of any lines of demarcation in the future. If you are finding this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such valuable content. The patient returned after 1 month for a PRP session. At this point, shedding is a typical occurrence and as we can see, 90% shedding was evident, especially in the top view of the hairline zone. But this is a normal part of the process, and his donor area was healing well. Around this time, factors like nutrition, medication compliance, and even stress levels can affect hair growth. Each patient's journey is different, and what we are observing is well within expected post-operative norms. 2 months post-transplant, his hair began to grow, but some bald patches remained. This is entirely normal and part of the natural progression of hair transplant recovery. Three months post-surgery. By this point, the shedding phase was over and we could see excellent growth in the crown area. The hairline had begun to take its proper shape. His head became fuller with no signs of bald patches. After 5 months, his hair density and volume were impressive, giving him the liberty to style his hair in his new, appealing ways. "11 months post-procedure and we see a completely transformed individual. His frontal region was dense and it's nearly impossible to identify that he had undergone a hair transplant. His hair had grown long and his donor area looked natural, making this a truly incredible hair transplant journey." When to expect full result? The best time to fully assess a hair transplant's effectiveness is generally after a year, as it allows enough time for the hair to grow and blend naturally with existing hairs. At QHT Clinic, we are committed to providing state-of-the-art treatments that offer natural and undetectable results. Stay tuned for more updates and success stories. Thank you for watching.